Question number 1. Who was the founder of Saka era? Option A. King Kanishk. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Samudragupta. D. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Answer is option A. King Kanishk. Question number 2. Which battle marked the end of the Mughal Empire? Option A. Battle of Panipat. B. Battle of Plassey. C. Battle of Buxar. D. Battle of 1857. Answer is option C. Battle of Buxar. Question number 3. The Dinai was introduced by which Mughal emperor? Option A. Jahangir. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Akbar. Answer is option D. Akbar. Question number 4. The Mansabdari system was introduced by which Mughal emperor? Option A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. Answer is option A. Akbar. Question number 5. Who were the opponents in the Battle of Panipat in 1526? Option A. Akbar and Himu. B. Babur and Rana Sanga. C. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. D. Aurangzeb and Shivaji. Answer is option C. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 6. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Option A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. C. Annie Besant. D. George Yule. Answer is option B. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 7. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die" during the Quit India movement? Option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 8. Who among the following was known as the Napoleon of India? Option A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Harshvardhan. D. Samudragupta. Answer is option D. Samudragupta. Question number 9. The famous Harappan site Lothal is located in which present-day state of India? Option A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Punjab. Answer is option A. Gujarat. Question number 10. The first Buddhist council was held in which city? Option A. Patliputra. B. Rajgriha. C. Vaishali. D. Sarnath. Answer is option B. Rajgriha. Question number 11. The rock-cut temples of Ellora were built during which period? Option A. Mauryan period. B. Gupta period. C. Chola period. D. Rashtrakud period. Answer is option D. Rashtrakud period. Question number 12. Which city is historically believed to be the main site of Hastinapur, the capital of the Kauravas and Pandavas? Option A. Delhi. B. Ghaziabad. C. Meerut. D. Faridabad. Answer is option C. Meerut. Question number 13. In ancient India, which dynasty issued the largest number of gold coins? Option A. Mauryas. B. Cholas. C. Guptas. D. Nandas. Answer is option C. Guptas. Question number 14. Which Sultan of Delhi was the first to charge gadi or house checks? Option A. Balban. B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. D. Alauddin Khilji. Answer is option D. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 15. Who among the following was the founder of the Paris Indian Society? Option A. Bikaji Kama. B. Lala Hardyal. C. S.R. Rana. D. Tarak Nath. Answer is option A. Bikaji Kama. Question number 16. Who among the following founded the Depressed Classes Mission of India? Option A. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. B. Shantabai Kamble. C. Vitthal Ramji Shinde. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer is option C. Vitthal Ramji Shinde. Question number 17. Who among the following is called the father of nationalism in India? Option A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 18. What was the capital of the Mauryan Empire? Option A. Patliputra. B. Taxila. C. Ujjain. D. Kannauj. Answer is option A. Patliputra. Question number 19. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Option A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Lord Hastings. D. Lord Dalhousie. Answer is option D. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 20. The Khilafat movement was launched to protest against The injustice done to whom? Option A, Egypt. B, Turkey. C, Iran. D, Iraq. Answer is option B, Turkey. Question number 21. What was the capital of Kanishk? Option A, Mathura. B, Patliputra. C, Purushpura. D, Ujjain. Answer is option C, Purushpura. Question number 22. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Option A, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. B, Swami Vivekanand. C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. D, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Answer is option A, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 23. Who was the last Governor General of India? Option A, Lord Mountbatten. B, Lord Canning. C, Lord Wavell. D, Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari. Answer is option D, Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari. Question number 24. Who led the 1857 revolt in Kanpur? Option A, Rani Lakshmibai. B, Nana Sahib. C, Bahadur Shah Zafar. D, Tatia Tope. Answer is option B, Nana Sahib. Question number 25. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B, Rabindranath Tagore. C, Sarojini Naidu. D, Aurobindo Ghosh. Answer is option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.